So good morning and dear students. So what we have to do today is the revision of chapter number 1, resources. This is the first chapter of geography and I hope you all have prepared it. So question number 1 is, why natural resources or resources are known as gifts of nature? Why resources are also known as gifts of nature? Who will come? Come? Anyone.
Because they satisfy our needs and they help us.
One more time.
Because they satisfy our needs and they help us in living and easier life.
Okay. So why gift word is given?
Because they are gifted from nature.
Okay. Go from upward. Yes. Okay. So resources or natural resources basically they are known as gifts of nature because these are the types of gifts which we got from nature. Next question. So the next question is, let me ask questions from your exercise first. On the basis of origin, natural resources are classified into. On the basis of origin, natural resources are classified into. Come.
Natural resources are classified into two types, biotic and abiotic.
Okay. It is on the basis of
Origin.
So on the basis of origin, natural resources are of two types, biotic and abiotic. Now on the basis of development, resources are classified into. On the basis of development, who will come? Tell me who will come? Come. Only girls are coming now. I will call one by one all the boys. Come.
Potential and actual. Potential and actual.
Potential and develop.
Yes.
Potential and develop. So on the basis of development, resources are classified into potential and develop. Now next question is, now this time I will give options also so that you can also come. Which of the following is an actual resource? Which of the following is an actual resource? And options are weather, intelligence, environment or windmill. Come. Arey wait, many questions are there, so I will call.
Windmill.
Loudly. Windmill. Okay. So windmill is the correct answer. Now next is, which of the following is a human-made resource? Which of the following is a human-made resource? Technology, river delta, spring water and winter life. Wait, you all have already given the answer. Last बोला था, अच्छा चलो तुम
For technology.
What is the answer?
For technology.
Okay. So technology is correct answer, which is made by human. Sunlight is an example of these resources. Sunlight, option to let me take the option. Sunlight is an example of Which of these resources? Biotic, localized, exhaustible, या ubiquitous? Who is coming? Last come.
But please ask this question.
You all are giving without options.
Ubiquitous resources.
What is the answer?
Ubiquitous resources.
And what is the meaning of ubiquitous resources?
Which means that it is available everywhere.
Which is found everywhere. Okay, very good. So answer is ubiquitous resources. Now the next is, which of the following makes substance a resource? Which of the following makes substance a resource? Options are utility, value addition, technology, or last option all of them. Come. Last. Come fast. All of them. All of them. Means all options are needed. Okay, good. So, all utility, value addition and technology, they make any substance resource. Next is, most important resource on the earth. Most important resource, wait. Most important resource of the earth. Who has not come? We also not. Most important resource on the earth.
Human being.
What?
Human being.
Human resource or human being. Okay. So human beings are most important resource on the earth. Next is, what type of resource is present in a waterfall? What type of resource is present in a waterfall? Wait. And options are, option is needed or not? No? Okay. Who is coming? 1, 2, you have already come. Come. See where she has raised her hand.
Potential.
What? Potential. Okay. Careful. So potential is correct answer. Now next question is, now you have to give examples. One example of renewable resource. Anyone? One example of renewable resource. Come. Carefully.
The correct answer is sunlight. Sunlight.
Sunlight. Okay. Sunlight. Some other examples which is more clear. Come. Which can be renewed. My question is that. Means the renewable resources. Yes.
Wind energy.
What?
Wind energy. Wind energy.
Loudly.
Wind energy.
What you are saying?
Sir, wind energy.
Wind energy. Okay. Sunlight, wind energy, water can be renewed, soil can be renewed. Next, give one example of abiotic resource. One example of abiotic resource. Who has not come among all? Come, all five take. Come. Wait.
Soil.
What is soil? Okay. Soil is one example. Anyone? So give one example. Come.
Okay, so
One by one.
land is the another example.
Land. Okay. Come it up. This one.
Water.
Water. Okay. Come.
Stone.
What you have given answer? Come here and loudly. You are going to hear.
Stone.
Okay. So rocks. Basically, she is saying rocks. Okay. Wait. Next question. The force of falling water is used to generate. One by one. The force of falling water is used to generate. उसको आने दो. Let him come first. उसके बाद आप. ठीक है ना इसके बाद.
Hydroelectricity.
Electricity. So correct answer is hydroelectricity. Land, water and soil are dash resources. अरे आने दो बाकी बच्चों को land, soil and water are
Natural resources.
natural. Okay. So land, soil and water are natural resources. Next question. Wait. What is sustainable development? What is sustainable development? Yes, come better. Very bad that you don't know the answer. Anyone, only one point.
Sustainable development means conserving natural resources for the future generations.
Again, one more time.
Sustainable development means conserving natural resources for the future generations.
Okay. So basically, sustainable development is a type of development when we don't harm our environment and we keep resources for our future generation. That's all for today. We will meet in next class with another chapter.